Good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. This is continuation class of similar triangles from class 10 mathematics, and I welcome everybody in my class. So this topic, the similar triangles, has been started uh, much earlier, and we have covered few topics also. And in the previous session, we have learned how to show two triangles similar, and if two triangles are similar, then we have also seen that their corresponding sides become proportional. Their corresponding sides become proportional. So here today I am going to show you few more problems based on the similar triangles. So the first question is, it is given that E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD. Means there is a parallelogram ABCD. So first of all, let me draw the parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on the side produced. AD is produced up to E. So E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. BE, so I am joining this B and E. BE intersect the side CD at F. Show that triangle ABE, the original, the big one, is similar to triangle CFB. BAE is similar to CFB. Okay. So first of all, given, so there are two triangles involved here. One is triangle ABE, the other is CFB. We need to prove that these two triangles are similar. So given E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD. BE intersect CD at F. We have to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Proof. So here just see, we have to show that these two triangles similar. So we have to look for whether their sides are proportional or not, or whether their angles are equal or not. So first of all, let us focus on the angles. Now in triangle ABE, can we say that angle A is equals to angle C of triangle CFB? In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equals to angle C. Can we say that? Yes, it is very easy because they are opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD. So we all know in parallelogram the opposite angles are equal. So by that criteria, angle A is equals to angle C. The second point, see this, angle E is equals to angle CFB because the reason is, if two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. Here the line AE is parallel to angle line CB and BE is the transversal. EA and CB are parallel because they are opposites. AD is parallel to BC. They are opposite sides of parallelogram. So naturally, if AD is parallel to BC, then AE is also parallel to BC because E is obtained by producing AD. So we can say that AE and BC are parallel. In that case, and BE is the transversal. So if two lines are parallel, then the alternate angles formed are always equal. So by alternate angle property, we can say that angle AEB is equals to angle CBF. So in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, what are the things equal given? Angle A is equals to angle C. Reason is opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. And the second point is angle AEB. Angle AEB is equals to angle CBF. Alternate angles. So two angles are already equal to. That means we can say that these two triangles are similar by the property angle, that is AA. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA. So this is proved. This was very easy sum, and if you practice it once or twice, you can easily do it by yourself. Just try to understand the concept. Okay, next question. So here is the next question. It is given that ABC and AMP, see the figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles. A right angle at B and M respectively. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and we have to prove that CA upon PA is equals to BC upon PM. So first of all, let me write down the things which are given in the question. ABC and AMP are two right triangles. ABC and AMP are two right triangles. Right angle at B and M respectively. We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. First question. And second, we have to prove that CB CA upon PA is equal to BC upon PM or MP. These are the two questions we have to prove. Just go through the given part and the diagram part and the two proof part, what we have to prove. So there are two triangles to be proved similar, ABC and AMP, and CA upon PA. CA, just C in triangle ABC, CA is the hypotenuse, the longest side, and PA is also the hypotenuse of triangle AMP. So the hypotenuse are proportional to other two sides. BC, if we consider BC as the perpendicular of triangle ABC, then MP is also the perpendicular on triangle AMP. So the hypotenuse and the perpendicular sides of both the right triangles are proportional to each other. So first of all, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Proof. In triangle ABC, sorry, if they are right triangles, so I have to write in right triangles. In right triangles ABC and AMP, what are the things equal given here? As you can see the figure, they are right triangles, so already one angle is equal. Angle ABC is equals to angle AMP. Both are right angles, that is 90 degrees. And the second, just see from the figure, what is the second angle equal? I think you have guessed it right. This angle A is common angle to both the triangles. Therefore, angle A equals to angle A, common angle. Therefore, two angles of both the triangles are equal. Hence, we can write, therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by angle. We know that we can prove two triangles similar if two angles are equal. Okay, so the first one is proved. Now, the property of similar triangles, similar right triangles, says that if two right triangles are similar, then their hypotenuse of one triangle is proportional to the hypotenuse of another triangle. Similarly, base upon base is also proportional, and the perpendicular upon perpendicular, all are proportional. That means we can say that hypotenuse upon hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular upon perpendicular equals to base upon base. Now, hypotenuse of the first triangle is CA, and hypotenuse of triangle AMP is PA, the longer sides, is equals to the perpendicular of the first triangle. I am taking it as BC, then perpendicular of the second triangle will be MP. So hypotenuse upon hypotenuse equals to perpendicular upon perpendicular. So here is the reason, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Okay, so this is also proved. Just go through the question, the solution, and hope you will easily understand how to do it. Okay, seen all of you? Very good. Next, I am going to one more very important question. So next question, here it is said that side AB and BC and the median AD of triangle ABC is proportional to side PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. We have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Given side AB and AC, side AB and BC, side AB and BC, and median AD of triangle ABC is proportional to side PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Side AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. This is the question. What we have to prove? To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now the proof part. So these two triangles, their sides are proportional. So we will start from there only. AB upon BC, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. It is given in the question. Equals to AD upon PM. It is given. As you can see from the statement, it is given that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. Okay, that is what it is told in the question. So we can say that AB upon PQ. Now since AD is the median of triangle ABC, so we can say that D is the midpoint of BC. So in place of BC, we can write 2BD. Similarly, PM is the median of triangle PQR. So we can say that M is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, in place of QR, we can write twice QM equals to AD upon PM. So here we have to put reason, since D and M are the midpoints of BC and QR respectively. So by cancelling these two, we will get AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. So see what we have proved. AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM, means the three sides of triangle ABD, this one, are respectively proportional to three sides of this triangle PQM. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, their corresponding sides are proportional. It is proved here. Therefore, we can say, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side. All the three sides are proportional. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then we can say that angle B is equals to angle Q, because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So here we can write angle B is equals to angle Q, and in reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Okay, therefore we can say, now let us consider the original triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB is proportional to PQ, BC is proportional to QR, it is given in the question, and angle B is equals to angle Q, as we have proved it just now. So by side angle side criteria, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. So just erasing this part. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, BC upon QR, and angle B is equals to angle Q, angle B equals to angle Q. So this is the first relation is given in the question, and the second one we have proved. So it is earlier proved or proved earlier, proved above, whatever you want to write, you can write. These two are earlier proved. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side. This angle B and angle Q are the included angle of side AB and BC. Similarly, Q is the included angle of side PQ and QR. So that is why the criteria side angle side. Understood? So this is proved. So therefore, this sum was not very hard. It is standard type question, and you can expect this type of question in the board exam. Okay. So hope you have understood the concept, and whatever we have learned today, hope you have understood everything. And I also hope, and I am also confident enough that if some related to similar triangles are now given to you, then you can solve it easily. Okay. So let us meet in the next class, and there I will show you few more problems, more standard and little bit harder now, in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.